Welcome to our video on Oracle HCM Cloud. Today, we will explore the powerful features and benefits of Oracle HCM Cloud, and understand how it can revolutionize human capital management for organizations. Let's dive in. Oracle HCM Cloud is a comprehensive HR management solution. It aids organizations in managing their workforce efficiently through streamlining processes like payroll, talent management, recruitment, and performance evaluation. Oracle HCM Cloud improves HR efficiency and enhances employee experience through automation, analytics, and self-service. It provides scalability and customization for different business needs. Oracle HCM Cloud is a leading cloud-based solution for managing the workforce efficiently. It has modules for HR, payroll, talent management, recruitment, performance management, and more. Oracle HCM Cloud offers automation, analytics, and self-service capabilities to empower HR teams. The platform meets the diverse needs of businesses with scalability and customization options. Cloud-based HCM solutions streamline workforce management and enable data-driven decisions. Moving our HCM processes to the cloud allows us to access real-time data, reduce costs, and increase efficiency. Additionally, cloud-based solutions provide flexible scaling without costly upgrades, which is crucial for our growing business or changing workforce needs. Key features of Oracle HCM Cloud. Oracle HCM Cloud offers a comprehensive HR software solution that streamlines HR processes and improves workforce management. It is cloud-based for easy accessibility and scalability, and it provides modules for core HR, payroll, talent management, and more. Oracle HCM Cloud provides powerful analytics for data-driven decision-making, allowing me to gain valuable insights and make informed choices. Its mobile-friendly interface ensures that I can access important information on the go, enhancing my productivity and efficiency. Additionally, the ability to integrate with other Oracle business apps streamlines my workflow and allows for seamless data sharing. Overall, Oracle HCM Cloud enhances my employee engagement and helps me achieve my full potential. Oracle HCM Cloud provides robust security and compliance features to support global requirements. With regular updates and enhancements, the system ensures optimal performance. It offers highly secure access from anywhere, meeting the needs of a modern workforce. Centralizing HR data allows for improved accuracy and efficiency. By automating tasks, we can save time and reduce errors. Employees benefit from self-service options, enhancing their experience. Advanced analytics facilitate better decision-making. Oracle HCM Cloud helps increase compliance with regulations and policies, and improves talent acquisition and retention strategies. Oracle HCM Cloud enables real-time insights into workforce trends, enhancing communication across the organization. It's customizable to meet specific business needs and provides a seamless HR user experience for administrators and employees. Oracle HCM Cloud's core HR module streamlines essential HR functions such as employee information management and workforce processes. It centralizes HR data for efficient management of employee records, policy compliance, workforce planning, payroll processing, and enhanced operational efficiency in HR. The core HR module in Oracle HCM Cloud streamlines HR practices from recruitment to retirement. Oracle HCM Cloud provides robust integration capabilities, allowing seamless connectivity with other systems and applications. Its flexible and configurable integration platform enables easy data exchange and synchronization, ensuring a unified and comprehensive HR ecosystem. Oracle HCM Cloud provides robust security features to safeguard sensitive HR data, such as role-based access controls, encryption, and data masking. These measures ensure the protection and integrity of our HR information, giving us peace of mind and compliance with security standards. Recruitment, onboarding, and performance management are crucial for employee success. With Oracle HCM Cloud, we provide personalized, mobile experiences that enhance engagement and productivity for our employees. Our self-service portal allows employees to access their personal information, saving HR time, increasing employee satisfaction, and reducing turnover. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more videos on Oracle DBA tips and tutorials. If you like this video, then kindly like and share this video.